Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and inflate the Henbrandt Inflatable Unicorn. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a Henbrandt Inflatable Unicorn. And just taking a look around the details of the product packaging. And now let's go ahead and open it up, but of course tearing open the clear plastic packet and sliding the contents out. Just setting the packet to the side and just giving you another look at the slip of product packaging paper and product details for this Henbrandt Inflatable Unicorn. Okay, so just going to set that to the side, so just setting it on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at this Henbrandt Inflatable Unicorn with a 53 centimeter length. Of course, you can see it's not quite inflated at the moment, but nonetheless giving you some sense of the size of this inflatable unicorn resting in my palm. And now let's go ahead and take a close-up look by, of course, unfolding it first. So you can somewhat see that it does have a white main color and some vibrant, bright details or colors to accent its features. I'm just going to shift that slip of paper further out to the right so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we focus on this inflatable unicorn. Okay, and taking some close-up looks at, of course, the hooves, which are in a sky blue, and of course the tail as well, with its range of colors. And of course we want to take a look at the opposite side as well. There seems to be a couple of hearts at the rear of the horse. It does have a colourful mane as well. It does have floppy ears as well and black eyes. Of course the muzzle and its nose. Nose does have a blue finish on it, and of course, quite importantly, is the horn, which is a bronzy gold. So they're giving you a further out look at this 53 centimeter long, or just under 21 inches long, Henbrandt Inflatable Unicorn. Of course, not quite inflated yet in its packed state. Let's now go ahead and blow it up, and we can see that it does have a valve on its side, on its right side. Just giving you a close-up look at that valve. In detail right there with its clear design. And now let's go ahead and blow it up. Whoops, and let's try that again. And you do not want to overinflate the unicorn, and the valve doesn't seem to be closing shut securely. Let's try again. and just popping it in, and we can see that the valve doesn't quite close shut. Even with just having a look right there, let's make sure that we can press down on it. You can see that it is closed, and pressing down and into the body right there. Okay, I think we've managed to do that just fine this time around. And if we squeeze the body, and that's where there's a design issue right there. With just some slight pressure, that valve doesn't seal very, very well at all. You can see with me just pressing on the body, it pops open right there with little effort at all. But nonetheless, let's try and maintain the pressure in the body. Just so you have some sense of the shape of this inflatable unicorn. So I'm being very careful here not to squeeze the body, because that would pop the valve open, obviously, and of course leak the air out from the body. So not a good design right there in terms of at least the finish of that valve having to do its most important function in keeping the air inside of this inflatable doll. So you can see how gently I'm handling this Henbrandt Inflatable unicorn, trying not to, as I said, apply any pressure onto the unicorn and popping that valve open. So right there, giving you some looks at this 53 centimeter long or 21 inches long Henbrandt Inflatable unicorn. So really cute, and you can see I've not inflated it fully yet, and of course it does have its packing creases, as you saw earlier when I tried to kind of inflate it adequately. The valve just wouldn't keep that air in, but nonetheless giving you some sense of this overall design of this Henbrandt Inflatable unicorn in all its colourful glory right there. So giving you a look at that valve once again, and of course we can show you once again with that valve popping open in just a moment, because I'll try and inflate it a bit more this time just to give it more of its shape and try and reduce and straighten out those creases. So right there, look at the lovely detail of this unicorn and its horn. And of course right here I'm going to show you that valve popping open again just by simply squeezing on the body. That should it's managed to hold the air in this time around, so not quite sure what's changed right there, but nonetheless no problems this time around. But you saw earlier, demonstrating very clearly how that valve was popping open before. Let's try it again. Let's pop it open and let's give it more air. So very, very odd. You can see this time, yeah, right there, that the valve would pop open, at least the stopper or the flap. Just making sure this time. Okay, we've managed to, because I'm applying quite a bit of pressure this time around, and the pressure is holding, and you can see me squeezing quite intently on the unicorn, and there we go. We have a much better inflated unicorn now, with most of the creases straightening out. I think I can inflate it just a little bit more. Let's try again. Obviously there's a fine balance here. I don't want the valve to be popping open again, and you can see. And there, I think this is a very, very nicely inflated unicorn now. And yeah, right there. So maybe the moisture provided a bit of a better seal on the valve now, but it seems to be working as it should right there. So a bit of premature criticism on the design of that valve, but nonetheless right here I stand corrected. It seems to be just fine now, and you can see that lovely unicorn detail with its puffed ears, mane, horn, and of course tail of this Henbrandt Inflatable unicorn right there. You can see standing just fine. I'm just giving you some sense of the design right there. And just squeezing it, the valve does stay in place, as you can see right there. And you can see nice, smooth, and fine details of this Henbrandt Inflatable unicorn. So that's the Henbrandt Inflatable unicorn. Thanks for watching and happy playing!